Hi, Mr. Andrew here, and today we're going to be working some combinations of functions. So we have f of x and g of x in front of myself. And right now we got to do their combination. So we can combine them in 4 ways: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So let's just do all 4. Alright, so the first one looks like this. It'll be f plus g of x. Okay? And then so I literally take and I substitute in, like, this is my little substitution equation here. So I substitute into that 3 of x plus 2 for f, and g is x squared minus 2x plus 1. So really these parentheses weren't necessary. I just do them to keep consistent, to be consistent. They weren't necessary, but they didn't hurt. Here all I can do is combine like terms. So I'll have x squared plus x, and I'd have plus 2 plus 1. That would be a plus 3. So x squared plus x plus 3 is the answer to the addition combination. So the subtraction one would be f minus g, and of course you can also have g minus f, or whatever they tend to label them. Now here we're going to have f come first, so 3x plus 2 in parentheses. Subtract off g in parentheses, x squared minus 2x plus 1. And as you can see, you need to distribute, okay? Because we had to subtract off all of g, not just the first term. So here we're going to have this rewritten as 3x plus 2 minus x squared plus 2x minus 1. And really I just took the signs and flipped them all there. And then now I combine like terms. I'll lead off negative x squared. My x's go together. 3x and 2x go together to be 5x. And 2 and negative 1 is plus 1. Okay? So that would be my new f minus g of x. Okay, now here let's bring a new sheet of paper and do the multiplication and the division of these two functions. So here we're going to have fg of x, and as you can see, we just put them together and multiply. So we have 3x plus 2, again in parentheses, and we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 in parentheses. So as you can see, this is even larger than FOIL. It's not just a binomial and binomial, it's a binomial and trinomial. So here, what we actually have to do is multiple distribution. We have to distribute the 3x through, and then we distribute the 2 through. Okay? So 3x, 2x squared is going to be 3x cubed. 3x minus 2x is negative 6x squared, and 3x to 1 is 3x. Okay, and now we go with the 2. 2 times x squared is plus 2x squared. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. That's an x. And 2 times 1 is 2. So here we just combine like terms again. 3x cubed. We have a minus 6x squared and 2x squared, so that's minus 4x squared. 3x and negative 4x, so that's minus x. And then we just have plus 2. And that would be my fg of x. Now here for our f over g, f divided by g of x, now I just take 3x plus 2 and I put it over x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now one thing we got to note is that you can technically sometimes simplify these, especially if something factors. In this case, the bottom can factor. We can have this as x minus 1 x minus 1, but even then it does not. If you look here, those aren't the same. We can't simplify, so this is actually the simplest version right here. Okay, there's no reason to try and simplify, it just doesn't. And that happens quite a bit, so oftentimes you can just stack them and leave it for the f over g. And now as far as domains go, you just want to watch out here, because you'd have any problems with domain would carry through, and then you're also creating a division, so that could lead to division by 0. So technically the domain cannot be everything here, but I believe that's another video. So if you'd like me to elaborate further on anything or to go more in depth on something, just send me an email.